All right, so we have a real nasty spot down here. My son was getting a cupcake and it fell and the chocolate frosting hit our rug here. It's pretty nasty. And I thought, hey, this might be the perfect opportunity to show you how to use this thing right here, our spotters. I know a lot of you have been picking them up at the store and getting them from me, so I figured, hey, let's show you a real life situation. My son, where'd you go? Here. Where are you? He's gonna hold the camera while I do this spot. Here, just hold it right here, bud. Okay. And we're gonna show you what to do. So you take your spotter, make sure it's all, mixed up and good to go, right? And we're gonna spray it on. So spray it on the spot. Okay. And now I got a towel right here. You just kind of gently go over what you can first. See, I'm not putting a lot of pressure, but look, it's all coming right up on the towel. So we're getting the stuff off the surface. There's a lot of frosting in here too, I see. Epic. Ooh, I don't know, man. Will it come out?
Hopefully.
Let's find out. So I'm going to spray a little bit more on here. Oh, I just said more on.
I mean, it looks like it's coming out, but I don't know if it'll fully.
It came out here, and it's coming out here. Coming right out.
A big spot, so.
It's already just starting to disappear as I sprayed it on there. This stuff's pretty darn good.
It works magic on your rugs and carpet.
Look at that. What spot? I don't see a spot. What are you talking about?
Well, there's no spot anymore.
And this is the power of our Bristol Clean spotters. And just for good measure, I'm going to do a little light spritz on it. You guys probably can't see it, but I can. So we'll just put a little bit more down. And just kind of scrub it out lightly. You don't want to go too hard, just gentle. And it's gone. Now we just have a little damp spot here.
As you can see, it used to be completely covered, but now it's all gone.
Everything is on my towel here. From the carpet to this towel. Nice and clean. And this, in essence, is how our low moisture system works. And it's the same product. But this is a little bit more concentrated. All right, thank you, Nate.
You're welcome.